Very good afternoon to all of you. I am Bhavraj Raghuvanshi and here is my team. He is Tanishq Rathod, he is Nitya Thakur, he is Anirudh Singh Chauhan, he is Shaurya Singh Chauhan. Here is my team. We are here to explain our country, South Korea, in this World Senate debate competition. South Korea is official called Republic of Korea and is a country in East Asia. South Korea's capital is Seoul City, which is most populous city in the world, which is ninth most populous city in the world. South Korea is considered a developed nation with a stable and progressive economy. There are total 9 states in South Korea, in which most of country's population reside in Seoul regions. There are mainly two regions in Seoul regions, Christianity and Buddhism. South Korea's culture and heritage, which including different food, clothes, ancient place, and lot more. South Korea's national dish is kimchi, which is including in UNESCO list last year. South Korea's global reputation has risen in recent years. This has been driven by the popularity of its exported brand K-pop stars and K-dreams, as well as rising awareness of the importance of South Korea's film in global supply chain, particularly in sectors like semiconductors and electric vehicles. South Korea's language is Korean. I would like to call Anirudh to process it.
Culture, K-pop in the global interface, trade, history, modern day abroad, economic, technology industry, Samsung, LG, Hyundai, export land growth, strategy, economic of reaction with the US, China and Japan. I would like to call Shaurya to process it.
Human rights. South Korea has significant human rights concerns, including first problem is women's and girls' rights. The government has cut budgets for violence against women and plans to abolish the Ministry of Gender Equality and Family. Now we can talk about its solution. The government continued with its controversies. Plan to abolish the Ministry of Gender Equality and Family protests were held in Seoul of demanding that the authorities do more to end violence against women following the murder of a woman. Now, second problem is LGBT rights. The LGBT rights movement faces discrimination and hostility. Now we can talk about its solution. The National Health Insurance Service to resume health insurance coverage as a dependent of his same-sex partner. Now we can talk about disability rights. I would like to call Bhaviraj to process it.
In 2022 and 23, police and the Seoul Metro prevent activities from demonstrating on the subway of increased funding for disability right. Now we can talk about its solution. Controversial country decision offered the protest of great protection for refugees and migrants in South Korea. Refuge. South Korea has admitted 1,439 refugees since 1994 and has contributed to global effort protect refugees. However, the refugee problem is ongoing due to ethnic and religious conflicts.
So many problems are to be dealt with order. Countries like China has a complex relationship with China, with some progressive favoring closer ties and conservatives. Passaging the alliance with the United States, South Korea companies have invested heavily in China, but may need to shift investments to other economies due to competition from Chinese companies. Now, North Korea. South Korea faces geopolitical tensions with North Korea. The National Security Act criminalization positive comments about North Korea or the distribution of materials that are alleged to be North Korea propaganda. Now, I would like to call Bhaviraj to process it.
South Korea has human rights conversion. I would like to call Nitya Thakur process it.
Geopolitical risk. North Korea poses a geopolitical risk to South Korea. Economic vulnerabilities. South Korea's economy is vulnerable to external demand and its potential. Online gender-based crimes. The government has struggled to address online gender-based crimes. National Security Act. The National Security Act criminalities positive comments about North Korea or the dissemination of materials that are alleged to be North Korea propaganda. Privacy. The government's public health measure to limit the spread of COVID-19 raised privacy concerns. Now I would like to call Tanishq to process it.
General information. Official name Republic of Korea ROK. Capital Seoul. Population approximately 51.8 million 2022. Language Korean. Official English widely spoken. Currency South Korea won. Interesting facts. South Korea is the world highest speed network internet. The country has a vibrant film industry with many international awards. K-pop has gained global popularity with the group like BTS and Blackpink. South Korea is known for its beauty and its skincare products. Now I would like to call Shaurya to process it.
South Korea problem. Korea is facing some of the biggest challenges it has seen. We are seeing declining population growth anywhere in the world, but Korea is by far one of the worst. The second big issue Korea is facing right now is our GDP growth rate that mainly depends upon international business, importers and exporting products. Now we can talk about its solution. Now process to Bhaviraj.
The next scurvy for Korea outline 8 recommended along 3 areas. The first is reaction, the second area is around shifting, and the third area is around cultivating. Now I would like to call Shaurya Singh Chauhan. Process it.
Second problem. On rest, there are several interests that are facing fundamental challenges. One example is a major importer and exporter of petrol products. Now we can talk about its solution. I would like to call Bhaviraj to process it.
The second is around shifting. The need to real shift the way the Korea economic is structured. The third and final area is around cultivate. Korea really need to bring not more skilled laboratory. I like to close by saying that Korea has to potential. It's just need to work on a lot of these sections. Thank you.